Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I wish to thank the honourable member for the question raised. Mr. Speaker, sir, Fiji has a long history of supporting UN peacekeeping missions, stretching back to our first contribution in 1978 to the United Nations Interim Force in Lebanon, or UNIFIL, Mr. Speaker, sir. So the RFMF and the Fiji Police Force are still charged with providing forces for international peacekeeping operations in line with the government's foreign commitment on maintaining world peace. This is an ongoing commitment between the Fijian government and the United Nations. Mr. Speaker, sir, in terms of the missions, we still have forces now in Andof in Syria, UNIFIL in Lebanon, UNAMI, the United Nations Assistance Mission in Iraq. I've also included in my response the multinational force and observers, the MFO, though it's a non-UN mission, Mr. Speaker, sir. And of course we have the mission in Sudan, UNMISS and UNITEMS, and of course we have the mission in Yemen, where we have one officer, I believe it's Major Yeli, who is there, Mr. Speaker, sir. So since 2015, I'll detail the reimbursements from 2015, Mr. Speaker, sir. In 2015, the reimbursement to the government of Fiji is around $12,846,973.81. Again, in 2016, $12,147,018.26. In 2017, the reimbursement was $19,638,315.52. In 2018, reimbursement was $10,328,111.98. 2019 again, $10,687,083.57. 2020, an amount of $6,444,326.65. 2021, an amount of $4,019,929.79, and in 2022, Mr. Speaker, sir, the reimbursement is a total of $15,709,188.79. So if we add those figures, Mr. Speaker, sir, from 2015 to 2022, total reimbursement to the government of Fiji is around $91,780,940.87, Mr. Speaker, sir. Interestingly, there will be another meeting in New York in February next year, Mr. Speaker, sir, where we will have an opportunity to again discuss the rates, particularly when it comes to the equipment used. That will be in around February next year, Mr. Speaker, sir. Thank you.